Waste toner removal and replacement. To remove the waste toner, start by opening the main front door of the printer. Inside, you'll see a white box. This is the waste toner box. Locate the blue lock. Rotate the lock to the open position. Pull the waste toner box straight out. Before you empty the waste toner, ensure you are wearing a mask to avoid inhaling the toner powder. The waste toner box has 4 sections. Open the cover to each section and carefully pour the waste toner into a designated trash bag. Once the box is empty, check for any residue and make sure it is clean before putting it back. To replace the box, slide it back into the printer, making sure it is fully inserted. Rotate the blue lock back to the locked position. Close the main front door of the printer. You've now successfully cleared the waste toner.